5 things poor people waste money on. Dave Ramsey. 1. Payday loans and predatory lenders. Imagine being trapped in a cycle of debt with no way out in sight. That's the reality for millions of people who fall victim to payday loans and predatory lenders. These short-term, high-interest loans may seem like a quick fix for financial emergencies, but in reality, they only dig you deeper into debt. The interest rates on payday loans can be astronomical, often exceeding 400% APR. This means that for every dollar you borrow, you could end up paying back 4 times as much in interest alone. And if you're unable to repay the loan on time, the fees and penalties can spiral out of control, trapping you in a never-ending cycle of debt. But here's the good news. There are alternatives. Instead of turning to payday loans, explore other options like borrowing from friends or family, negotiating with creditors, or seeking assistance from nonprofit organizations. It may not be easy, but breaking free from the grip of predatory lenders is the first step towards reclaiming your financial independence. 2. Brand name products. We live in a consumer-driven society where we're constantly bombarded with advertisements and marketing messages telling us that we need the latest and greatest products to be happy and successful. But here's the truth. Brand name products are often overpriced and overhyped, and buying into the hype can drain your bank account faster than you can say luxury. Instead of paying a premium for a logo or a label, focus on value and quality. Explore generic or store brand alternatives that offer the same features and functionality at a fraction of the cost. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save by making simple switches in your purchasing habits. Remember, true happiness and fulfillment don't come from material possessions. They come from within. By prioritizing value over vanity, you can free yourself from the burden of consumerism and focus on what truly matters in life. 3. Lottery tickets and gambling. The allure of striking it rich overnight is a powerful temptation, especially for those struggling to make ends meet. But here's the reality check. The odds of winning the lottery are infinitesimally small, and for every success story you hear, there are thousands of people who end up losing everything. Instead of relying on luck to improve your financial situation, focus on building wealth through hard work, discipline, and smart money management. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills, advancing your education, and pursuing opportunities for career growth and advancement. Remember, wealth is not something that happens by chance. It's the result of deliberate choices and actions taken over time. By investing in yourself and your future, you can create a life of abundance and prosperity that far surpasses anything a lottery ticket could ever provide. 4. Excessive bank fees. When was the last time you checked your bank statement and were shocked by the amount of fees you were being charged? From overdraft fees to ATM fees to monthly maintenance fees, traditional banks have a way of nickel and diming you to death, draining your account of precious dollars with each transaction. But here's the thing. You don't have to settle for being gouged by your bank. Explore alternative banking options like online banks or credit unions that offer lower fees and better interest rates. Many online banks, for example, have no monthly maintenance fees and reimburse ATM fees, putting more money back in your pocket where it belongs. Take control of your finances by understanding the fees associated with your banking accounts and taking proactive steps to minimize them. Every dollar you save on fees is a dollar you can put towards your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or investing for the future. 5. Keeping up appearances. In today's social media-driven world, it's easy to get caught up in the comparison game, constantly striving to keep up with the Joneses and project an image of success and affluence. But here's the truth. Trying to impress others with material possessions is a losing game that will leave you feeling empty and unfulfilled. Instead of living beyond your means to maintain appearances, focus on living authentically and within your means. Surround yourself with people who value you for who you are, not what you have, and cultivate relationships based on mutual respect and support. Remember, True wealth is not measured by the size of your bank account or the brand of your car. It's measured by the depth of your relationships, the richness of your experiences, and the impact you have on the world around you. By prioritizing what truly matters in life, you can find fulfillment and happiness that money can't buy. The journey starts now. Let's make it happen together.